Hey guys, Mike Hines here from Build Collective. We're out in Fort Thomas at 19 Bivouac. It's an incredible house, an old colonial house. It's over 100 years old. Character beyond belief over here. Actually hanging out with the Couches who own the home. I want to show you a little bit more about what this house has to offer with a 3-car garage, with a special lodge in the back, all kinds of cool stuff. So why don't we come show you a little bit closer look at the house.
Being a coach, unfortunately, we have to live all over the United States. And when we first moved to Cincinnati, we went where the other coaches were, which is in suburbs away. And I don't like to commute. And the absolute best part of this house, in my opinion, is that we're 10 minutes door to door from anywhere in downtown. And to get this land, which is in the spring, looks like the Garden of Eden, and this big, beautiful house is tremendous.
The thing I'm probably going to miss the most is the front porch. It's so much fun in the spring to just sit out there, kind of watching the world go by and saying hey to your neighbors, and you feel like you're on a little vacation in your own home.
Most of the time when you walk around your neighborhood, you're like, okay, well, I've been here 3 years, I've been here 5 years, I've been 7 years, 10 years, whatever. Everybody here, when they say 3, 5, 7, it's the number of decades.
We hope you can come by and see us. We're open for showings. Call us, schedule one today. We hope to show you this gorgeous house. It's really something special. Thanks guys, take care.